Okay, hello and welcome to your first lesson on Scratch in Primary 6. Okay, and this lesson we're going to be looking at repetition statements in Scratch. Okay, so let's open up our Scratch and we have here. So we're going to start off with an event. Okay, so let's go to our event. We're going to say when the green flag is clicked. Okay, so we're going to add the repetition, which is under control. And the main two that we're going to look at is repeat and forever. Now today we're going to first start off with repeat 10, and what happens is anything in between this bracket, it will repeat 10 times. Okay, so let's use our motion. Just to show you, let's have a look at 10 steps first. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, so if I click the button, you can see it'll move 10 steps. Okay, however, when we add our control and repeat, we're going to remove 10 steps, but we're going to move it 10 times. And we should see it move a lot further. Okay, so you can see that it moves 100 steps in total. Now, let's change this slightly. Let's move our 10 steps up here. Let's add, wait for a second, and then we're going to turn. Let's go for turn 90 degrees, and we're going to move let's say 50 steps, and we're going to repeat this 3 times. And then before it continues the loop, we're going to wait 1 second as well. So we're going to wait 1 second. Okay, now let me run that and let's have a look. So it will wait, and can you see it's moving and waiting 1 second for each time it moves. Okay, now if we were to take away this 1 second here, let's delete this and run it again. You can see it will perform all of these 3 repeats without that 1 second pause. Okay, now let me change the repeat. We're going to try this forever, and we're going to have a look at see what happens. Okay, as you can see, it's repeating forever. It will just continually turning 90 degrees and moving 50 steps. Okay, so for the repeats, we can specify the amount of times it repeats, or we can have it repeating forever. Okay, so that's how we use the repeat statement. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to copy this in Scratch, and what I want you to do is to hold down the Shift button, the Windows button, and tap S on the keyboard, and then highlight the block like so. Now, once you've done that, it will copy this to the clipboard. Now, I want you to open up your Start button, click on Start, and find Word 2016 in your list. Click on Word 2016, and we are going to open up a blank document. So double click right there. Excellent. Now when we right click our mouse, we can paste what's on the clipboard. So we click on our paste, and you can see it appears here. Now once you've done that, you're going to add this, hit enter, and then you're going to add activities 3.4 on page 15, and you're going to create another screenshot and add it under here like so. Once you have done that, I'm going to show you how to save your first Scratch program. You click on File, then you go to Save As, and we're going to click on Browse. When we click on Browse, we get a dialog box that shows us all the various files and folders, but we're going to store them in documents. So we look on the left hand side, look for documents. Once you find documents, click on documents. Excellent. Now if you don't already have a P6 with your name, you're going to click on new folder. You're going to type into there P6 and your name. So if your name is John, you're going to type in P6 followed by John. Okay, now double click your folder, and now we will be able to save it. Okay, let's call this lesson 1 repeat statement, and then click on save. Okay, now that's saved. Make sure you complete Page 15, activity 3.3 and 3.4. Once you complete those activities, copy and paste them here exactly like this, and then save your document. Okay, that is a lesson for today. Thank you very much for listening.